everyone, welcome back to Flipping Time. Today we're going to take a look at this Casio W-96H budget-friendly digital watch. Now this guy is packed with a ton of useful features. Now whether you've just picked one up or you're thinking about getting one, I'm going to walk you through its key features, give you my thoughts about it, and show you exactly how to set it up. Plus, if you're interested in picking one up, I have this very watch available in my eBay store. So check out the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and tutorials. Now let's get started. We're starting here on the main display. Here we've got the day of the week, your time, year, month, and date. The way that you would go about setting this is you're going to hit your top 10 o'clock pusher, and whenever the seconds start blinking, then you're in the time setting mode. So you just keep scrolling through, and you can use your 4 o'clock pusher to change your target. So it is not 2010 anymore. This has a brand new battery in it, so everything has reset. 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. It is March, and it is not the 8th. I think it's the 3rd today, but I don't want to go all the way. I don't think this one does anything, no. So whenever it only has one button to change it, so I would have to go almost all the way through to change that. All right, so let's get out of the time setup mode. Notice that whenever you change the year and the month and the date, your day of the week changes. So once you get it set to the correct date, you're never going to have to change it again unless you change the battery. Okay, let's see what other features this has. So the next feature is your alarm. Now I'm going to push the 4 o'clock pusher first, and notice you go from 00 to 12 o'clock. Now when you're in the 00 mode, if you hit your 10 o'clock pusher, notice this signal denotation comes on. Now what that is, it means that it is going to beep every hour. And I don't want that, so I'm going to turn that off. And now we're back into the regular alarm. Now this alarm has a lot of different features. So let me just go ahead and hit adjust. Let's say that you want to set a 6 a.m. alarm. Okay, a couple things that you can do. If you want this to be a daily alarm, then you're going to have no date set. This is the date part of it. Okay, now this is going to beep every single day at 6 a.m. Now, other features that you can have with this, let's say that for some reason you want it just to go off every day this month. Now, your alarm's going to go off at 6 a.m. every day in March. And in April, nope, no more. Let's see what else this has. Let's say that you want it to go off just one day. Say that you want it to go off in the morning, or this would be Wednesday morning at 6 a.m. So that's going to go off just one time. But let's say that you want it to go off every month. See, that's what happens. And it only goes one way. There you go. If you want it to go off every month on the 5th of the month, then that is how you set that alarm. Right now the alarm is on. The alarm and the snooze, so it will continue to go off. After your initial alarm goes off, it'll keep going off a few more times. and now it's completely off. This is your stopwatch mode. So you start the stopwatch with your 4 o'clock pusher, stop, and reset. This also has a split time, so you can, while this is going, hit the 10 o'clock and it's split, and then stop, and it shows you your split time. So this is milliseconds, seconds, minutes, and hours. So it's got quite a robust alarm. This is your dual time. You want to have a secondary time zone set up. And this is back to your main screen. The other nice thing about this is it has an illuminator that stays on just a second after you push it. So that's everything you need to know about this watch. It's a great, affordable watch with solid functionality. And hopefully this guide will make setting it up easy for you. If you'd like to grab one for yourself, check out my eBay store. I have this watch and many others listed. You'll find the link in the description below. If you have any questions or want me to cover another watch, just drop a comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.